This is what we're going to be making. If you want to download this and can't be asked to follow the tutorial, as always, the link for this is in my bio on my Patreon. Let's fucking get it, baby. Today we're going to be making deep house like Robin S. Show Me Love. This has been redone a few times, I think once by Laidback Luke. It's a classic organ banger made on the Korg M1 synth. So today we're going to be running through how to make a track just like that. Alright, let's get into the video. Right guys, so I've already got some drums down. I made these in the previous video, deep house drums. They sound like this. Next we're going to go and find the Korg M1. So I've got that here, Korg M1. Delete that EQ for now. To find the famous organ bass, you've got to go to organ, and it's organ 2. Whack that up all the way, put the pan to 0 because it comes pre-panned, solo it, then the rest are muted. So it's already sounding good, but it comes with way too much reverb on it. So let's whack this down. Sounding better already. Let's go to the insert effects. So that's already off because the dry wet's down. But then this hall is way too high, so let's lower that. Lower the reverb time to, I don't know, half a second-ish. Whack it back up a little bit. Maybe a bit more of a tail, 1.2. Go to the exciter. This is a distortion unit. Whack this all the way up. Okay, what else? So we added a compressor, so put no effect. And compressor. Maybe a bit of a chorus. It's not really doing a lot, but it makes it a bit wider. Alright, for now I'm happy with that. So let's go down, get in the MIDI. Right, so I have gone for D minor. I've put in all the MIDI notes, so just clicked them in of the D minor scale. Okay, so let's start with a D. We need to go up an octave. Sounds better. And then so in Show Me Love, it's like da, 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 da. So we're going to try and copy that. You have to bear with me because it's probably going to take me a while. So like a little note. No. Could be that. No. And then it's just about finding where the notes go, so no. And bring it back up so they're not quite on the bar. No, not quite. Let's try go up. Again, I'm just moving around the notes, just trying to get it right, really. I mean, that's maybe a double hit there. Yeah, you can change the notes as you want, like the lengths. Maybe chuck in a few crazy ones, like one here. Maybe here. It's gonna stick to that. Okay, so that is pretty much it for that bass. You can obviously maybe add a double hit in here. Next, I'm gonna go to my groove pool, and on all of these drums, let's check it is that one. I've got this swing already, so I'm just gonna apply that same swing onto the bass. So that basically just moves the notes a little bit. If I apply it, you can see they move off the beat a little bit. Just keeps it a bit swinging, bit rhythmic. All right, let's introduce this. Maybe this. All right, maybe let's try and get a little vocal on it. Vocal.
You gon' find yourself, but you gon' find yourself with someone. You gon' find yourself with someone. You gon' find. Feel the heart.
Let's try that. Oh, it's because I'm on full screen mode. Sidechain it to the kick because it's standing out a little bit. Maybe add a bit of reverb on it. So these sort of deep house tracks are gonna have fairly big reverb on the vocals. What kick is it? And why is there two? Let's delete that. Also gonna sidechain the bass. Or maybe not. So I feel like back in the day they ain't gonna be sidechaining the bass. I don't think they had sidechain back in the day. I'm not too sure on that one. Alright, grooving a bit. Let's try and find maybe another vocal. We could sit that more in the background. The classic is this.
You gon' find yourself, but I can't.
DOD, Can't Sleep Alone, absolute banger.
But I can't sleep alone. But I can't sleep alone.
Clashing with it.
Can't sleep alone. But I can't sleep alone.
Don't know why it squeaks, let's duplicate.
But I can't sleep alone. But I can't. But I can't sleep alone. 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 But I can't sleep.
Yeah, sort of sat in the background a bit. I probably wouldn't have them both playing at the same time, but maybe in like the break, have this. Sort of like this.
I can't sleep alone. But I can't sleep alone.
I mean, yeah, you could blend them a bit better than that. I'm not gonna lie, because that's not really blended at all. Or sort of pick one or the other, I think. Let's go for a string. So string, Korg M1, and load string. Strings on this are alright. They aren't the best, but they're pretty good. Okay, I use them. Are there better strings out there? Fuck yeah, there's better strings out there. Can I be asked to find them? No, I can't be asked to find them. So a lot of the time, I just use this. There's a few that come with Ableton that you can get from the Ableton website in here, which are alright. I think they come under packs somewhere. String, orchestral strings. These are quite alright. There's also some other one that's by, what's it called? Augmented strings or some bollocks. Augmented strings. That's quite alright. But I got that for, it's like a free version, so it's quite limited. And they're all a bit weird. They're a bit like, what's it called? Staccato or something. So let's find the key of the track. D. So let's put it in D. It needs to go up, way up. Maybe not that up though. D5, fat chance. Let's hear it. Good work. That's too low. Maybe let's change the string sound. It's browser, strings, string 2. Sounds fucking shit, sorry, excuse my language. Let's go for combi maybe. Strings. That sounds horrible. Back to prog. Solo string. See, the strings in it, if there are a couple good ones, but it's fucking finding them. I mean, it's a bit weak as you can see. I'm going to add a bit of distortion, so a bit warmer. Fuck me, that sounds like shit. I think it is too high, to be honest. Can't get it right with a D because it's sort of around C. Sit at the back of the mix and then maybe grab that same side chain, chuck that on the string. I prefer this, to be honest. I think this works a lot better. I mean, that is pretty much it. You could legato all of the notes or pull them back. Pull them back. That's pretty much it. I mean, the bass on that's quite dirty, so I'd actually probably duplicate this, get an operator or a serum. Let's go for operator. I never use operator. So I'm going to embarrass myself. Or is it analog that's good for bass? I can't remember. So I don't really know what I'm doing. Octave. It's quite nice actually, it's quite clean. That's not a bad little bass synth. I think I'm gonna start using this. It's even better than the Serum one, I think. And then you can sort of sidechain this. Probably put a bit of distortion on it, so maybe get that a bit warmer back. Although I'm just using stock first. I don't normally use stock, but it's all the fucking same. And then compressor, side chain, kick, and it's a sort of sub frequencies you're only going to hear on the speakers. And to mix sub, you should probably use speakers as well, because my headphones don't really cover sub. But right guys, so I've actually just had to go back, but what we're going to do is add some delay to the bass. So as you can hear, it sounds alright, but when you listen to the original track, it's got a lot of delay on it. So I could add it straight onto it, but I'm going to add it through an audio effects rack. So this basically means that I'm still gonna have all the dry signal. I don't want to drown out the original signal, obviously. So let's create that. Have dry. Create another chain. This would be our delay. Okay, so let's grab the delay, chuck it on the delay channel, open that up. This is probably too much. That's pretty good, isn't it? So let's hear it before. Bit of the vocal on. And now with. Just really helps it fill out the mix a lot. Right guys, thank you for watching. Yeah, see you next time. Cheers, bye.